In this video, we'll learn how to work the chain cast on using a crochet hook. For this cast on, you will need a crochet hook. I recommend choosing a crochet hook that's a similar diameter and size to the knitting needle size that you're using. This will make the chain cast on edge look as similar as possible to the bind off edge if you're going for matching cast on and bind off. To make the chain cast on with a crochet hook, first up, create a slip knot. And place that on the crochet hook. Now we're going to hold the crochet hook and the knitting needle in our right hand with the crochet hook closest to the index finger and the knitting needle parallel with its tip right next to the crochet hook. We're going to bring the yarn underneath the knitting needle, over the knitting needle, over the crochet hook, all the way back around behind the crochet hook. So now we have one loop on the knitting needle and two loops on the crochet hook. We're going to take the new loop on the crochet hook and use the hook to pull it through the old loop on the crochet hook. Now we have one stitch cast on and one loop on the crochet hook. We're going to keep doing the same thing to cast on. So bring the working yarn under the knitting needle, over the knitting needle, over the crochet hook, and behind the crochet hook, and pull the new loop through the old loop on the crochet hook. One more time. Under the knitting needle, over the knitting needle on the crochet hook, and back around the crochet hook, and pull the new loop through the old loop on the crochet hook. Continue casting on like this until you have one fewer than the total number of stitches that you want to cast on, because we're still going to need to deal with that final loop on the crochet hook. Once you have one fewer than the total number of stitches you need to cast on, we're going to move the crochet hook loop onto the knitting needle. And to do that, we're going to pull the crochet hook loop out a little bit, and then we're going to insert the needle through the front loop from front to back. And tighten that up on the knitting needle. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you'd like new videos delivered directly to your inbox, make sure to check out our newsletter at knit.tips/news.